In a groundbreaking development, Interstellar Technologies, East, a Japanese company, has achieved successful static fire tests of their innovative zero-jet engine. What sets this engine apart is its unique power source, liquid biomethane derived from cow dung. This remarkable achievement demonstrates the potential of biomethane as a clean and efficient rocket fuel. Collaborating with the University of Tokyo and JAXA, East invested in extensive research and development to optimize the zero combustion chamber for outstanding performance. These efforts led to design enhancements that not only improved the engine's efficiency but also significantly reduced manufacturing costs, estimated to constitute half of the total cost. The successful tests mark a crucial milestone for East as they advance towards developing and producing the 130 kilonewtons class operational model. Building on the insights gained from the design, production, and testing of the 60 kilonewtons class model, East aims to revolutionize satellite launches. The Zero Satellite Launch Vehicle is designed to meet the growing demand for small satellites, with plans to expand capabilities to launch satellites weighing up to 800 kilograms into low Earth orbit. Featuring a length of 32 meters, a diameter of 2.3 meters, and a total weight of 71 tons, Zero employs liquid biomethane, LBM, as fuel and liquid oxygen as an oxidizer. For the first time, East has introduced a gas generator cycle, involving burning part of the fuel in a gas generator to drive a high-speed turbopump. This innovation supplies fuel to the combustion chamber under high pressure, contributing to improved efficiency. The rocket's two-stage design incorporates a needle injector, streamlining components and enhancing combustion efficiency. The regenerative cooling system efficiently uses fuel to cool the combustion chamber walls, with integration plans for the combustion chamber, turbopump, and gas generator in the future. Liquid methane, chosen for its performance, affordability, availability, ease of handling, and environmental impact, serves as the rocket's fuel. IST's partner, Air Water Group, is actively working on creating a closed-loop supply chain for liquid biogas methane, LBM. This involves processing methane from livestock manure in Hokkaido's Tokachi region, with the LBM achieving an impressive level of purity comparable to traditional rocket fuel.